Okay, here we've got some code, and I'm going to show you how we can trace through it. Okay, whenever we run a class, we run the method public static void main string square bracket args. Okay, so I'll start there, and you can see on the bottom right, I've got output that I'll keep track of. So we start and we run the first line, which starts with line 10. So we're running the greeting method. Let's look at what that greeting method is. So I'll put the new method that we're calling. What happens now is it jumps from line 10 and goes to execute line 3. That says system.out.println and it prints the string G1, so that G1 will show up in our output. Now we're done executing line 3. There's nothing else in that greeting 1 method, so we're going to go back up to line 10. Okay, now line 10 is done because we executed that greeting 1 method. We're going to go to greeting 2. On greeting 2, let's look at the code. Okay, so it's going to jump and do the first line, which is line 6. So it'll say system.out.println the string G2, so we print G2. Once that's done, it's going to go to the next line, and that calls greeting 1. You might remember greeting 1. So it's going to jump to that greeting 1 code, and here it's going to execute line 3. Line 3 says system.out.println and prints the string G1, so that G1 also will appear in our output. Now we're done with line 3. So greeting 1 has completed. So it has to go back to where greeting 1 was called. So it goes back to line 7. Now, again, greeting 1 is done being called. So now we're done with line 7. So now we go back to what called greeting 2, which was line 11. Again, now we're done with line 11. And so we're just completely done.